It's the weekend. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. It's crazy how I feel like if you work a 9 to 5, if you work a 9 to 5, you live for the weekend. I mean, what you living for Wednesday? What you gotta do Wednesday? Work. We live for the weekend. That's crazy. That's what life has become. But anyway, Mariah Carey, Through the Rain live. I remember the video. I guess I didn't finish the video. Bro, it was like 30 seconds left and she had walked off the stage. I didn't know the chorus was going to keep singing. But that's how you know all my reactions are 100% real. Because I didn't know, bro. I thought it was over. I just ended the video. But y'all had a little bit of gripe with that. So this video right here, I'm going to watch all 7 minutes and 32 seconds. I'm going to try. With no further ado, though, I'm going to get into the video. Let's go.
She is the best-selling female performer of all time, Mariah Carey.
Why she drop her voice like that all time?
2 Grammys, 15 #1 hits. Then suddenly, everything began to unravel.
There's a lot of time for you to tell your story. The breakdown, the record contracts, the breakups, everything we've been reading.
I see. This is how y'all know I read comments. Let's go. Listen. Her ex-husband, right? Right? Y'all fill me in a little bit on this. She and her ex-husband, they had a little tiff. Not even a little tiff. They broke up, bro. And I guess there was some abuse. I feel like emotional. I think I said like emotional abuse or something like that was going on. Contract dispute. So I didn't know she had a breakdown, though. I didn't know that.
Story, the breakdown, the record contracts, the breakups, everything we've been reading about.
So, are we ready to do a poll microphone run through?
Mariah's mic check.
Go through the sound check.
Check.
Mariah's back.
It's been quite a year for her. Actually, the last 18 months, it looked like her career, her professional and her personal life was unraveling.
Superstar Mariah Carey is back. Wait until you see her. She has a new album, and
they still have it.
Okay.
She's doing okay.
And
I gotta know it a little bit.
Okay. She has a new album and a new outlook on life. The last few years haven't been easy for Mariah, and today she is setting the record straight about the emotional and physical breakdown that forced her to check herself into a hospital last year. At the time, Mariah's career and personal life seemed to be...
Wow, she went to a hospital. When's she gonna start singing? Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, there she is.
Through the Rain, please welcome Mariah Carey.
With nowhere to run when you're destroyed and in pain.
I remember y'all said this was about her being biracial, right? So I'm gonna really try to listen to the lyrics and understand the struggle. I mean, I'm not biracial, so I don't 100% get the feeling, right? So my struggle's a little different. So I'm gonna try to see if I can understand, like listen to the lyrics.
Run when you're destroyed and in pain without anyone, and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone. It's okay. What you say? Yes, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that.
You got to give the background vocals their props, though. You have to. They're good backup for Mariah. They provide proper. I don't want to call it. I feel like proper support sounds so PR, but they give a. I don't want to get. It's not like a boost, but like a extra layer to. It's like they sort of match her vocals. It provides like an extra layer of I don't know exactly what to call it. I hope y'all understand what I'm trying to say, but I just can't. I don't know the words to. I was about to say prophesy, but I don't know the words. I don't know what to call it.
On my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to live. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. And if it keeps falling down,
Oh yeah. Her background vocal. Yeah, when they break up, I remember when I was in church, right? You know, everybody sings together. And then when the church choir director would do this, everybody would break up into their own separate, like, I won't call it singing group, but you know, you got the altos, the tenors, the other one, sopranos. Yeah, how they all break up. When a group of singers do that, it's especially when it comes together really well, it can really, really elevate a song. To me, I don't know about y'all, but like if I was there in person, I would try to like, I don't know. This is how my brain works. I don't know if y'all are like this, but I would try to like really pay attention to everybody and try to decipher everybody's voice within the break. I don't know what to call it, but I don't know if y'all do that, but I do. Ooh. That is not a flattering stop.
You will arise safe and sound, so keep pressing on steadfastly, and you'll find what you need to prepare. What to say.
Wait, did she stop singing? Did she get so high that I couldn't hear it, or did she stop singing, bro? Mariah, you think you slick.
Find what you need to prepare. What to say.
It's like she went out for a couple seconds, right?
I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. And when the wind blows and shadows grow close, don't be afraid. There's nothing you can't face. And should they tell you you'll never pull through, don't hesitate. Stand tall and say, stand tall and say, stand tall and say, stand tall.
She about to take it up? Yeah! That's crazy. I was just about to tell y'all. Remember earlier how I said I was gonna listen to the lyrics? I lied. But that's what great vocals can do. I sat here and said I was gonna listen to the lyrics and really understand what Mariah Carey was going through, right? Really see if I can empathize. Not empathize, but really, I guess understand's the proper word. Really see if I could understand, right? And I completely lied. After that sentence, the vocals just took over, and like I hear the song, but I'm just admiring the vocals. Like the lyrics are going through one ear right after the other. I'm just I know that I can be strong. What? I just wish I could sing. Just give me like 2 days. 2 days. 2 days. Talk to me. Now that I think about it, this song had to feel like I can't say it had to because I was never in their shoes. I don't know exactly. I'm assuming though this song must have kind of felt like a weight off her shoulders to express the way she was feeling. They said that she put herself in a hospital. She had a breakdown. She was going through a divorce, contract situation, a lot of stress, a lot of stuff going on at once. Probably one of the lowest parts of her life. But to write this song, to get some of that off her chest, to express that, to get some of that off of her, to get the monkey off her back just a little bit, probably had to feel so great. Like I said earlier, I can't say for sure. I'm not her. I don't know. I'm just assuming. But I feel like I can feel it in their performance though. I can feel the uplifting. Like, look at how she's singing. If pay attention to Mariah, look at how she's singing. There's a weight being lifted off her shoulders. And I'm singing in front of Oprah. You think I'm not gonna let loose? Come on. How much does an Oprah ticket cost? Was everybody who went to Oprah rich? How many rich people are in society? How much? Because Oprah's a big name. It's not like you going to Joe Schmo's Radio Shack to go sit down and chill and kick it with him. You know what I mean? You're going to Oprah. She giving away cars. Somebody got to pay for it. How much does an Oprah ticket cost? Y'all let me know. But Mariah, man, I'm happy for her. I'm happy that she was able to get through it. That's a good message though. Great message. No matter how hard life may get, keep on living. You'll get through it. Life, the way I see it, life is like a roller coaster, bro. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up. You're never gonna be up forever. You're never gonna be down forever. Do y'all watch Snowfall? If y'all do, Franklin has $73 million. $73 million. And what did he end up? A bum on the street. He ended up homeless, losing everything. Dirty. I'm talking about like, can't get a haircut. You bust a blood vessel in your eye. Like, bro, what happened to you? It's 73. You never gonna be on top forever, never. Life is a roller coaster. You gonna get through them tough days though. You will. You just gotta keep on living. Keep on living. But I didn't mean to divert the conversation, but that's just. Hey, if y'all ever want, I just got so much on my chest about that Snowfall last episode. I could do a whole like rant on that. But anyway, Mariah Carey, Through the Rain, live. I'm gonna end the video right here. That's all I got. You enjoyed the video? Make sure you hit that like button, rock with me, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see. What you want to see me do next. Let me know. But that's all I got. I'm out.